Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while I haven't made a video. I always take forever to make video because it seems like every time I say I'm gonna make more video, I hire new help for the shop and they don't work out, so I had to let them go because I take pride on my work and quality comes first. And a lot of people only care about making a paycheck. So I'm just gonna make a video. I didn't post video of this car, but you go to my Instagram, Facebook /Nano Car Restoration. I'm gonna put the link below, and then same thing on Instagram. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook. Uh, so you see photos of the car when I was working. It was only front end collision. Then I fixed some dents on the side of the passenger door. So, but then I repainted the whole entire car. So the car has been done like 2 months ago, but the customer never got me the parts. So they finally got the part because that's the problem I learned today, and it's gonna be my last time. I'm gonna put the parts. If the customer don't want to put the parts, don't want me to buy the parts, then I'm not gonna take the job because then the car stay here forever. Uh, this car I took it from the neighbor's shop. He's a mechanic. He was supposed to put it back together. Then he found out the job was bigger. He gave me the job. So he talked to the customer. Customer came here. They were supposed to bring me the job. I was only charging for labor, and paint. So it took forever. They took the car back to their shop. The car waited there like a month. Now they got a part. Now they're trying to rush me when it was their fault. So it was a big drama with these people here. So this is my last car. I'm gonna be doing like that next time. If I don't put the part, I'm not doing the car. But the main purpose of this video is to show you the car. It's not to promote my business because I don't want to get business to this social media since I'm always busy. So but just enjoy the video of the car. It's completely done, and you want to see, I'm gonna post some photos how the car used to be before. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.